My average day is not too interesting. Come in at 5 o'clock, do my best work, do a lot of robot running, do a lot of hand welding, and then go home when all the work is done.
My average day can be a little random. It depends on, what department needs more help. I'll kind of go over there. But an average day I would describe as kind of laid back and filling in, I guess.
Go in the paint booth and put my suit on. Then I turn on the wash bay. Then turn on the machine and just start waiting for the parts to come through.
Checking for bad welds, checking quality paint, making sure the right serial numbers are on items, whether they have edges put on them, just a number of things in quality control.
I will go through the invoices and receive them in. I also make sure that we have supplies here. If there's any issues with trucks coming in, I will go ahead and take care of that or push it forward if it's above what I can do.
My average day usually revolves around me working in our ERP software. A lot of data entry, a lot of manipulations, a lot of thinking to get it all set up right.